We are at the threshold of a new technological revolution, Pax Silica, or the Silicon Peace. This is not just another chapter in the story of innovation. It's a turning point that will shape the future of our civilization. The world stands on the brink of a transformation as profound as the industrial or digital revolutions that came before. This era is set to transform how advanced technologies like AI and semiconductors are designed, manufactured, and distributed worldwide. The very foundation of our digital lives, everything from smartphones to supercomputers, will be reimagined as new breakthroughs emerge at an unprecedented pace. Analysts predict trillions in economic value will be unlocked in the coming decade. Entire industries will be reshaped, and new markets will emerge, creating opportunities for growth and prosperity on a scale never seen before. Pax Silica isn't just about faster devices. It's about re-architecting the global digital supply chain for resilience and security. This means building systems that can withstand shocks, adapt to change, and ensure the steady flow of technology across borders. Unlike past eras of peace built on military might, this one is founded on technological cooperation and shared security. Nations are coming together, recognizing that collaboration is the key to a stable and prosperous future. The alliance aims to create a network of nations working together to secure the essential silicon chips powering our modern world. By pooling resources and expertise, they hope to safeguard the backbone of the digital age. The goal: a diversified, robust tech ecosystem, less vulnerable to disruptions or geopolitical shocks. This vision includes not just factories, but also resilient infrastructure and a global workforce ready to meet tomorrow's challenges. For participating countries, it's a chance to move from technology consumers to co-creators, fostering innovation, high-skilled jobs, and secure manufacturing hubs. This shift empowers nations to shape their own digital destinies. The effects will ripple into everyday life: more stable prices, secure digital infrastructure, and new job opportunities. Families, businesses, and communities everywhere will feel the benefits of this new era. Pax Silica envisions shared prosperity, distributing the benefits of progress among nations committed to openness and collaboration. It's a vision where no one is left behind, and every country has a stake in the future. As the pieces fall into place, the world is watching this transformation that could define the 21st century. The dawn of Pax Silica is not just a promise, it's a call to action for all of humanity to build a brighter, more connected future together. Pax Silica is a groundbreaking strategic alliance, spearheaded by the United States and joined by a coalition of like-minded nations, with the mission to secure and stabilize the global technology supply chain. Focusing especially on semiconductors and artificial intelligence, the backbone of modern economies and innovation. For years, the world depended on just a handful of regions for these critical technologies, creating dangerous choke points and vulnerabilities that were exposed by recent global shortages, trade disputes, and rising geopolitical tensions. Pax Silica addresses these risks by pooling resources, sharing technical knowledge, and coordinating massive investments among allied nations to build a more resilient ecosystem. It's not just about building new factories. It covers the entire technology lifecycle, from fundamental research and design to manufacturing, assembly, and even recycling of advanced components. Members commit to shared standards for cybersecurity, intellectual property protection, and the ethical development of AI, creating a trusted and transparent ecosystem for technology to flourish. This approach reduces the risk of any single country or region disrupting the global economy, ensuring long-term stability and prosperity for all partners involved. The United States provides leadership, funding, and technical expertise, helping partners develop their own domestic industries and strengthening collective security across the alliance. Pax Silica marks a decisive shift from the era of hyper-globalization to a new model called friend-shoring, reorienting supply chains toward trusted allies and away from potential adversaries. In today's interconnected world, technological sovereignty is national security. Advanced chips are now as vital as energy, food, or defense systems. Pax Silica is the framework designed to keep the democratic world at the forefront of innovation, security, and economic leadership for generations to come. In April 2026, the Philippines joined Pax Silica, signaling a bold leap into the future of global tech manufacturing. Long a hub for electronics assembly, the Philippines is now moving up the value chain into wafer fabrication and advanced chip design. The centerpiece, a massive AI and manufacturing hub in New Clark City, built as a world-class center for innovation. Government and private partners are investing in research facilities, manufacturing plants, and infrastructure to attract global talent. New Clark City will also house universities and training centers, building a skilled workforce for next-generation technologies. This is more than an industrial park. It's a symbol of the Philippines' ambition to lead in the digital economy. By joining Pax Silica, the country secures access to capital, expertise, and markets, aiming to become a critical node in the global tech supply chain. For the Philippines, joining Pax Silica brings powerful benefits, starting with economic growth. Massive foreign investment will fund new factories, research centers, and infrastructure, boosting GDP and local industries. Thousands of high-quality jobs will be created, from engineers to data scientists, lifting communities and expanding the middle class. The demand for skilled workers will drive improvements in education and training. Developing domestic manufacturing reduces dependence on imports, strengthening national security and supply chain resilience. Being part of the alliance ensures a reliable source of critical components for infrastructure and defense. Collaboration with international experts accelerates knowledge transfer, helping local talent develop cutting-edge skills. Over time, this can spark a homegrown innovation ecosystem, with Filipino companies designing their own technologies. The ultimate goal: transform from a manufacturing hub to a true center for technological creation. The Pax Silica Tech Hub will spark a wave of opportunities far beyond the factory floor. Direct jobs in semiconductor and AI facilities will require advanced skills, prompting new training programs and university curricula. Supporting industries, suppliers, logistics, and services will flourish, multiplying job creation across the economy. Entrepreneurs and small businesses will find new niches in the high-tech supply chain. The influx of skilled professionals will drive urban growth, fueling demand for housing, schools, and local services. This development can transform regions into vibrant centers of commerce and culture. On a national scale, diversifying semiconductor sources stabilizes the global supply chain and boosts security. Domestic production ensures critical infrastructure remains operational, even during global crises. Technological self-sufficiency becomes a cornerstone of modern national security. The result: greater independence and resilience in an interconnected world. Despite its promise, Pax Silica comes with real risks and criticisms. Some worry about trading one dependency for another, as smaller nations may find their policies shaped by larger partners like the US. The alliance could escalate geopolitical tensions, creating new spheres of influence and potential tech cold wars. Countries like the Philippines may face diplomatic challenges, balancing alliances amid great power competition. Large industrial projects raise concerns about land rights and displacement, especially for local and indigenous communities. Transparency and fairness are essential to prevent social unrest and ensure just compensation. There's also the risk of wealth concentrating among foreign corporations and local elites, widening inequality. Without policies for local ownership and education, the benefits may bypass ordinary citizens. Shared prosperity requires deliberate efforts to build an inclusive, equitable economy. The semiconductor industry's environmental footprint is significant, requiring vast water and energy, and using hazardous chemicals. As the Philippines embraces this sector, sustainable sourcing of water and power becomes critical. Mishandling chemicals can threaten ecosystems and public health, making strict safety standards non-negotiable. Building new facilities in cities like New Clark City impacts landscapes, risking deforestation and habitat loss. Balancing industrial growth with ecological preservation is a major challenge for planners. Proponents argue that modern facilities can be greener, using water recycling and renewable energy. The alliance promotes green manufacturing principles, but these standards must be rigorously enforced. The real test: can this revolution drive progress without unacceptable environmental costs? Sustainable urban planning and conservation must be at the heart of development. The future depends on proving that high-tech growth and environmental stewardship can go hand in hand. For Pax Silica to truly benefit partner nations, value must be created and retained locally, not just through assembly jobs. The aim is to move up the value chain, with Filipino scientists and engineers designing next-generation chips and AI. This requires major investment in education, research, and a curriculum that fosters creativity and entrepreneurship. Scholarships, internships, and research grants can build a deep pool of local talent for advanced industry roles. Protecting local intellectual property is vital, enabling Filipino innovators to patent and commercialize their inventions. The alliance should encourage joint ventures and knowledge sharing, not just technology transfer. Success means seeing homegrown tech companies thrive alongside multinationals in New Clark City. The journey from host to innovator is challenging, but it's the only path to true technological leadership. Pax Silica offers the Philippines a historic opportunity: economic growth, skilled jobs, and national security. This is a pivotal moment, as the nation stands at the crossroads of technological advancement and global relevance. The choices made today could shape the country's future for generations, influencing not just the economy, but the very fabric of Filipino society. The vision of a high-tech New Clark City is inspiring, but challenges remain: geopolitical risks, environmental impact, and social equity. Balancing rapid development with the needs of local communities and the environment is no small feat. The stakes are high, and every decision will have lasting consequences for both people and planet. The key is balancing global partnership with protection of national interests, communities, and the environment. Collaboration with international players can bring expertise and investment, but it must not come at the expense of sovereignty or sustainability. The ultimate question: will the Philippines become an innovator, building its own technologies and entrepreneurs, or remain a supplier assembling others' ideas? This decision will define the nation's role in the global tech ecosystem and determine whether it shapes the future or simply follows it. The difference is between participating in the tech revolution and leading it. True leadership means fostering homegrown talent, supporting startups, and encouraging original thinking that can compete on the world stage. With strategic planning and investment in local talent, the nation can shape a legacy of innovation and sovereignty. Education, mentorship, and access to resources will be crucial in empowering the next generation of Filipino innovators. The era of Pax Silica has begun. The world is watching to see who will invent the future. The Philippines has a unique chance to rise as a leader, not just a participant, in this new technological age. What's your take on Pax Silica's promise and perils? Share your thoughts below and follow for more on global tech and geopolitics. Your voice matters in shaping the conversation about the Philippines' place in the world of innovation.